Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filters on a 2013 to 2018 BMW X5 F15. There's going to be two filters to replace. Both of them are going to be located inside the engine bay area. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself some WD-40 and you're going to want to spray this clip right here. These clips are really tough to remove, and over time they can become brittle, so when you try to remove them they can break. You're going to want to use a panel popper such as this. It's a 2-finger prong tool. You're going to want to pull it out, and once you get to about this point you're going to want to jiggle it out with your finger. That'll create some gap, and the gap is going to be right in between the plastic and the trim. Then you're going to want to work your tool right behind here and go ahead and pry off the rest. Next, we're going to remove a clip in the center cowl area and then follow that up by removing this clip on the left side. Once you got both clips removed, you can move the cover up and down just like this. And then you're going to want to remove that clip and slide out the rest of the cover. If the clip clips back on, just go ahead and reach over and unclip it again. And then that'll release the whole cover. You can pull it all out. Now this is where the airbox is located. The circles are going to be where the two hangers are, and the arrow is pointing to the one clip that this airbox has. So just reach under and pull the clip out, pull it out towards the front of the car, and that'll loosen it up. And then you can just wiggle out the rest out of the hangers and pull it out of the car. So now you're going to want to undo the 4 clips. You really only need to do 2, as the other ones would just slide out once you get these 2 out. So see, I only removed 2, but the rest of the filter slides right out. Same thing with the other side. Just undo both clips and it will slide right out. Now installing the new filters is easy as well. All you really need to do is slide in the new filter and then push down on the opposite side until you hear them click in. So here you see me slide in one side, just like this. And then the other side you just clip in. And that's it. So we'll do it one more time for the other side. You clip in and then push down. And that's it. Now we can just reinsert this back into the airbox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is slide this into position. And you're going to want to put in the hangers first. So the 2 hangers are located right here, one on the left over here, and then the other one's going to be located right here over on the right. So all you really need to do is just aim in the hanger to the clip on the airbox. Once those are inserted, you can just clip in the rest of the box. Now we just need to install the cowl cover. And on the underside of the cover, you're going to see this little lock tab here, which is going to fit into this part of the actual cowl. And you'll notice on the cover, you'll see a little arrow to indicate where that cover is, where that little notch is. And you line up this hole to these clips, and then the rest of the cover will slide into place. So first, just match up the arrow to that hole. Once you got it in place, you can drop the rest in here and just clip that in. And then on the left side, it's a little tricky. You're going to want to grab the trim and make sure it goes under the cowl. So right here, you'll see the trim go under the cowl. So right here, this is the trim going under the cowl, and on this side, the trim goes above the cowl. And then this little clip on the left side fits into place. And then this is fitted loosely. Now you just grab this plastic pin slide it into place, make sure it goes through. And on the other side, just push it in with your finger. And you'll see that the expanding reveal is going to expand. And that's it. Now, in addition to replacing the cabin air filter, you do want to replace the inside recirculating air filter. I'm going to go ahead and do this really quick just to give you an idea of what it's like. But I will be posting a full complete guide on how to replace this filter. The pinned comment will have the direct link to replace this filter, but as you can see, it's fairly simple. It's just one cover, removing the one connector, and the filter slides right out. You slide the new one in, and there's only one little trim cover. The nice thing about replacing this filter is that it requires 0 tools. All you really need to do is just undo a few clips and a cover, undo a connector, and the rest goes right in. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.